When we open the single handle tray packaging, we can find a grip handle, a screwdriver, and a base. This is a specially designed base. It allows the phone to be removed without having to take off the housing. First, remove the screw on top. Unscrew. After unscrewing, we can see that there is a protruding boss on it. There is also a corresponding groove at this position on the base. After inserting the protruding boss into the groove, then screw it back in. Then use an Allen wrench to tighten the screws. This completes the installation of the single-handled tray easily. Assembly with the housing is also very simple. You just need to assemble the two threaded holes at the bottom of the clamp with the two 1/4 screws on the single-handle tray. After installation, an underwater light or other equipment can be attached to the grip's ball head. You can hold the other side of the housing with your hands for easier operation. After reaching the surface of the water, if we want to remove the phone, we can also loosen the base screw at the bottom. Then tilt the housing. This way, we can easily remove the phone while it's still in the assembled state.